beauties, happy Valentine's Day. Valentine is just some days away, and then I decided to create this look, okay? You can wear this look to keynote, to brunch, to solo date, whatever you want to do for yourself. Don't wait for anybody to treat you on this Valentine's Day. Sis, you gotta treat yourself. Self-care, self-love. So I kept the eyes very simple, and then I let the lips speak for itself. What is Valentine without a red lippy? So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching, okay? Hi beauties, let's go straight into doing this video, okay? So I came with a bare face, as you can see. So I'm going to do my brow first, and I'm going to use my MAC Color SS Kohl pencil. It is not a brow pencil, but I love using it because it serves what it's supposed to serve, okay? So let's do the brow and get it out of the way. Valentine is just some days away. Happy Valentine to all my beauties. Celebrate yourself. It is a time of love. A time to show yourself love. Don't wait for anybody to get you gifts. Go out there, treat yourself so good. Buy yourself a gift. Buy yourself a flower. Take yourself on a date. You don't have to wait for hubby. You don't have to wait for your fiancé to do that for you. Treat yourself, okay? It's part of self-love. It's part of self-care. Yeah. So I am doing my brow, as you can see. This MAC SS, Color SS, it is waterproof. So my brow is not going anywhere. Happy New Year. This is the first video of the year, honestly. Happy New Year to my beauties. Hope everybody is doing amazing. Yes, I've been gone for a long time from YouTube because of one reason or the other, okay? So I am back, and I am happy filming again. I am using my e.l.f. brow lift brow gel to set the brow. I love this brow gel from e.l.f. In fact, e.l.f. is really coming up with their product. I have never been disappointed with any of the e.l.f. product that I have used. Can you see? It sets the brow. Yeah. And then after that, what I'm going to do now is to clean the brow, okay? So I'm going to use my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Cocoa. So beauties, my brows are done, okay? So I'm going to move straight to my face, and I'm using my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, okay, to prep my face. If I'm looking behind my phone, it's because I have a mirror there, okay? Like I said, e.l.f. is really doing it this time, honestly, with their product. This e.l.f. Grip Primer is a dupe to Milk Hydro Primer. It does the job so well. It grips your makeup, your foundation. Yeah. So I'm going to let it like sit for some seconds, okay, for it to get tacky. And while it is getting tacky, I want to talk about Valentine's Day. You know, people think Valentine's Day is when to expect gifts from loved ones, from family, or wherever. Says it is a time of love. Show yourself love. Don't wait for anybody, okay? Even if at the end of the day they gifted you something that is nice, that is good, but try to treat yourself, try to pamper yourself, okay? So now that the primer has already done its jobs, I'm going to go on with my NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade New Caledonia. Yeah, so I'm going to apply it at the back of my hand. And then I'm going to use a flat brush. Do I have anyone at hand here? Sorry beauties, Okay, elf complexion brush, but the name has already cleared up, but it's from elf. So I'm going to dab and then I'll start pressing it on my face. Let me get myself a mirror. Yeah, Valentine, like I said, is a time of love. Show yourself love. Don't wait for people to show you love. You own your happiness. So pamper yourself, treat yourself. Oh, I love this soft matte foundation from NARS. Can you see? So beautiful. And for the fact that I have oily skin, so it is a matte, soft matte foundation. So it's going to help keep my oil production at bay. Oh, and what a coincidence, I'm wearing red. And you know, when we talk about Valentine, we talk about red, we talk about pink. Yeah. So I am wearing a red dress today. Yeah. I hope you are enjoying this video. This is just a quick Valentine makeup look, okay? So Beauties foundation well blended. So I'm going to use NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amand. Just apply it on the areas that I would like to highlight under my eyes. You know, typically where the light hits your face, on my forehead, on my chin, and then on the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to let the concealer get a kind of a tacky, and while it is getting tacky, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Stick Foundation, okay, to add some shadow and depth on my face, just like this. And then like this, and then on the bridge of my nose, very tiny. Yeah, and then I will go on to blend the contour first before blending the concealer, because I want the concealer to get a kind of tacky, and by doing so it will give me a full coverage. Yeah, I don't normally add contour to my forehead, okay. I do that, but today I don't want to do it. Let me just add only here, and then whatever that is left on the brush, I will use it to run around my hairline. And then down to the bridge of my nose. Be careful so that you don't take the concealer along. While blending my nose contour, I love connecting it with my brow, okay, so you can see. Yeah, then after that I will go on to blend my concealer. I love this NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Amand. It's just a one shade lighter than my skin tone. So Beauties, after blending the concealer and the contour, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Translucent Honey to set all the areas that I apply my concealer. Beauties, tell me, what is your best setting powder? Mine is this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I have it in the shade Translucent Honey, and I also have it in the shade what is it called, Medium Deep. So beautiful. It sets your concealer like never before. And what I normally do is I keep pressing the brush, okay, to make sure that the powder sets and gets into where I wanted them to be. Makeup, you have to take your time, okay? Don't be in a rush while doing your makeup. So beauties, after that, I'm going to use my MAC bronzer, okay? I'm going to use my MAC bronzer to set all the areas that I applied the contour. And this particular one is Matte Rich Rosy. It gives that natural bronzy type of a vibe. So I'm going to bring it also here, then around my jaw area, and then I look for a brush to bring it around my nose to set the nose contour too. One thing with me is whenever I apply a liquid or a cream product, I love setting it with a setting powder. Not a setting powder, but I love setting it with a powder so that it doesn't move, it stays where I put it. Yeah. So whatever that is also on the brush, I'm going to use it because we are not applying any eyeshadow today, okay? But I still want to have depth on my eyes. I love this this way of applying bronzer on your eyelid. Oh, it looks so good. There is a video that I did, or a picture that I took when I apply bronzer on my eyes, and somebody were like, "Oh, Beat, I love your eyes. I love the eyeshadow." And when I told the person that it's not even eyeshadow, that is a bronzer, and she was like, "Wow, please do that more." So that is what I'm doing today. Applying bronzer on my eyes, okay, to have that warm and a kind of color, and then I blend on the crease. Looks so beautiful. Yeah, beauty. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my blush, and I'm using MAC Raisin Blush. Okay, I'm about hitting the pan just to tell you how much I love this powder. And then I always apply my blush that classic way. So I'm going to do here too. So then after that, beauties, I'm going to go off camera, apply my falsies, apply my kajal liner, and then I will come back, okay? As you can see, the look is looking yummy with my hair. How are you seeing my hair, beauties? Oh my goodness, I am loving everything this day. So beautiful. So beauties, my eyes are complete. I've already applied my falsies. So I am using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep to set the whole of my face. I am loving this look, beauties. How are you seeing it? Sephora, they have dupe to this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, if you are wondering. But this is a very good finishing powder, okay? It doesn't add too much coverage to your face, yet it does its job. So beauties, after that, I'm going to set the whole of my face, okay? So I'm using my MAC Fix Plus Lavender Fix Setting Spray. Hydrate that skin, baby. Get that skin hydrated, okay? So beauties, I'm going to prep my lips with my MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. You know, I love using this. It fills any gaps on your lips. Okay, and get your lips ready for that beautiful lipstick we are about to apply. And then the last time I went to MAC Cosmetics, one of the workers there told me when I apply this, I have to wait for it like 2-3 minutes, okay, for this thing to do its job. And when it does its job, the lipstick you apply here is going to stay all day. So we are going to wait, okay? So beauties, 2 minutes is gone. I'm going to show you the red lipstick that I'm going to wear today. I am wearing a red beautiful dress. So I want to complement the dress with a red lipstick. And this particular one is from MAC Cosmetics, okay? Feels so grand. If you know me with red lipstick. So I'm going to apply it. And the lip primer that I applied before this makes everything apply so smoothly. Tell me, what is Valentine without a red lippy? And don't forget to connect the corners, okay? Very important. So beauties, this is the final look. I kept the eyes very simple because I want the lips to speak for itself. Happy Valentine to all my beauties. Pamper yourself, treat yourself, and show yourself love. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye.